In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a simple welcome flow that automatically emails new subscribers the moment they sign up. This is perfect for delivering a warm hello, a lead magnet, or next steps without you lifting a finger after setup. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and signing in to your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the automations area in the main navigation. That's where Mailchimp keeps its customer journey tools, which let you build powerful flows with triggers and actions. Open automations and choose the option to build from scratch. You may see Mailchimp prompt you to choose from pre-made templates. If that happens, click the option to choose a flow template, and then, for today's demo, select Build from Scratch again. Templates are great when you know exactly what you want, but starting from scratch gives you full control and helps you learn how each piece fits together. You'll land on a setup screen where you can enter the flow's details. Click into the name field and give your automation a clear, descriptive name. Good naming is more important than it seems. Try something like Welcome, New Signups, or Newsletter, Immediate Welcome. If you manage multiple brands, audiences, or languages, include those in the name so you can spot the right flow at a glance later. Next, choose a trigger for your journey. The trigger decides when this automation should start. Click, choose a trigger, and then select Signs Up for email. This tells Mailchimp to add people to the journey the moment they subscribe to your audience. It's ideal for a quick welcome and ensures new contacts hear from you while interest is high. After selecting the trigger, save it. Saving locks in the starting point for your automation and prevents you from losing progress. With the trigger in place, add your first action. Click, add a step to open the toolbox of actions you can place in the flow. Find Send Email and drag it into position right after your trigger. This connects the dots so that when someone signs up, they automatically receive your email. Keep the path simple for now. One trigger, one email. You can always add delays, conditions, or multiple emails later as your strategy evolves. As you place the Send Email step, think about what message makes sense as a first touch. A friendly welcome, a brief introduction, or a promised download works well. If you're offering a discount code, reference it clearly in the subject line and preview text when you design the email later. For deliverability, keep your sender name recognizable and consistent with your brand, and write a subject line that's clear, not clickbait. When your trigger and email step are in place, click Continue to move forward. Continue acts as a checkpoint, helping you confirm the structure of the flow before you dive into content. If you spot something you want to rename or reorder, you can always come back and adjust it. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Make sure the audience tied to this journey is the one you actually collect signups for. If you use embedded forms, landing pages, or integrations, confirm they feed into the same audience that this journey watches. Consistency here prevents confusion and ensures every new subscriber enters the correct automation. Consider your timing and expectations. A welcome email sent immediately tends to perform best, but if you plan to add more messages later, space them out thoughtfully. Also, test your sign-up process with a non-work address so you can see exactly what a new subscriber experiences from form to inbox. That's it for creating a simple Mailchimp automation. Open automations, start from scratch, name your flow, set the signs up for email trigger, add and drag a send email step, and continue. With this foundation in place, you're ready to personalize the content and expand the journey as your goals grow.